Okay, the last thing we're going to look at here is payback time. So payback time is the length of time it takes you to make back your investment based on the savings that you would make from it. So we have a little equation that the payback time equals the cost of the type of insulation you're going to add to your house divided by the savings that you would make in terms of not having to spend as much money on heating costs in that year. It's best explained using an example. So our draft excluder, we bought quite an expensive one at £40, but we've worked out it's going to save us £10 per year. So in the first year I'll save £10, next year another £10, following year another £10, and in the fourth year I'll save another £10, and that adds up to £40. So it's going to take me 4 years to make back my initial outlay. But if we use our equation, payback time T is equal to the cost of insulation, which is £40, divided by the saving each year, which is £10, which gives us 4 years. Okay. What I would like you to do now is pause the video, try and fill in the rest of that table by yourself. Okay, and then unpause it and just check your answer against mine. So, okay, let's look at the next one. Our curtains. We do the same thing. Time equals cost of insulation, 500, divided by the saving per year. That means we'll make it back in 10 years. Next one, we're given the payback time equals the cost divided by the savings. Multiply both sides by 100. We'll give you 5 times 100 equals our cost. And by the way, there's no real standard letters to use here to represent this. So the very first line I would do if I was asked a question like this is actually write out that equation in full words before I do anything, but we'll just use C for cost here. So that gives us that the cost of loft insulation is £500. Save £100 each year. It'll take us 5 years to pay that back. The cavity wall insulation costs £2,000. Saves us £100 each year. Will take us 20 years, a long time to pay that back. Carpets, £900. Make a saving of £50. Remember, don't save that much through the carpets because heat tends to rise. So it's not one of our major losses is heat transfer to the ground, which will give us 18 years. Double glazing then costs a lot of money, £8,000. But it saves us £200 per year, gives us that the payback time will be 40 years. Okay. What I'd like you to do now is just below this, there will be a little Microsoft form or quiz that you fill in. It'll include some multiple choice questions. It'll include some mathematical questions. Those of you that have been doing the revision videos will have done this before. But give it a go just to see where you kind of are with this unit, okay?